It is to put money in people's pockets, but also to protect jobs. Because if you lose jobs, then the economic consequences and the fallout from that spiral. You end up with more people on social welfare, which has a direct impact on the exchequer as well. So it is in all of our interest to protect employment and make sure that otherwise viable businesses are supported. And we're not saying as a government that we will be able to fully offset all of the increases. It would be unrealistic to give that commitment, but we do recognise we need to help, and we need to help households too. And we brought in about 1.3 billion of exceptional measures between February and July. That was of help. It was of significant help to a lot of people. The situation has deteriorated since, and we do need to go further now in 2 weeks' time, and that's what we intend to do.